So this video is about chart markups. I'm trying to just make some more videos. I feel like I'm slowly but surely pulling away from Forex because listen here, I like fast money, okay? Alright, I'm a busy wife and mom of two. So I don't have time to be, staring at charts all day, okay? So I have started to fall in love with gold and trading NAS 100. So this chart right here, this is gold, and I'm just going to go over how I like to mark up my zones, aka support and resistance. Okay, so right now I am on my H4, and what I do is I grab a horizontal line, and what I do is I'll mark the high of a consolidation area and the low of the consolidation area. So this would have been my first little markup. I actually shared this with someone. So that's what I would have marked up first, okay? Now, if this price action for the week hadn't happened, say my week was just starting out, you can do this a couple ways. You can mark it the way I just showed you, but let's pretend this price action hadn't happened. Let me see if I can drag my chart over. See, hold on, gotta release left side. It won't say. I don't know if it'll do it, y'all. That's about as good as I can get it. Say if this week's price action hadn't happened yet, then I would have marked up this high right here, and I would have marked up this low. I would have marked up this low. Because look, you see multiple touches in that area, right? Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. And you saw how price did eventually break through, but look, that's last week's low. So you probably would have wanted to mark up a zone right there. Okay? There you have it. Now you can mark your chart that way. There's really no right or wrong way to mark up a chart. It's really based off of how you trade and how you see the market. So don't let anyone tell you, oh, you did it wrong. No, you have to identify, how do you like to trade? Now, I told you in the beginning, I like fast money. I like trading gold. So I just keep it simple. I mark up the highest high or the lowest low. You can also do last week's or the previous day high, previous day low, right? So look. This is yesterday. This is June 22nd, right? So yesterday's high is here. Uh-oh. Let me bring that down some. Whoops. Come on. There we go. And then yesterday's low is right here. And look, you could have still caught that little breakout. And right now it looks like it's trying to retrace, and it might push up for the rest of the day. The reason I say that is because our dear sweet daily candle is green. But be very careful because the monthly candle is red, okay? So just be careful. But anyway, if you're just going with the daily, then yeah, you do your markup. And the trick also works on if you just mark the high and low of the previous candle. That's it. And then you wait for a breakout. Now, if you want to be extra gangster, you could mark it up on like multiple pairs and set you some levels. If you go back and look at my resource video, you can set your levels and wait for the breakout on all your pairs. It don't matter if you're catching 5 to 10 pips, you could catch 20 pips. But if you got all them pairs marked up, boom, you in the money. That's it. Just keep it simple, y'all. Like, so many of these so-called trading gurus, they make it so complicated. It's like, that's not even necessary, right? All right, so back to the blank chart. This also worked on I'm gonna pull you up a Forex pair. I'll just show you. I was fooling around with another template, just marking stuff up, but this works on Forex pairs too. See, look, let me get this green arrow click so my chart quit sliding. Like, it won't let me move it to the left or to the right. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay. See, look, yesterday's high, June 22nd, yesterday's high of this is UJ. I haven't traded UJ in a while, but I'm just showing you this for demonstration purposes. So look, yesterday's high, yesterday's low of UJ, right? So what we would have done for today, we would have waited for a breakout. That's it. And look, if you would set your level, and now this the part where you would, excuse me, you would have needed to identify, know your candle patterns. That's why I be stressing to people, download the JCP app and get to know your patterns, get to know your candles. So your entry would have been over in here somewhere. And look at this candle, ain't no wick on the bottom. So that was also a clue. It would have kept going, right? And yeah, that's it. Same thing for June 21st. The low for June 21st is down here. The high for June 21st. Uh-oh, come on. Okay, there we go. The high for June 21st is right here, right? So if you would have set your level, and now that we see that price did break out, you would have set your level at the price is 110.332. Excuse me. You would have waited for the breakout. You could have caught some of this in Asian, or you could have waited till London. It looks like you broke out in London session. And then you could have been extra gangster and held your trade till all the way up here. That's it. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, seriously, I really don't. I don't know. I don't have anything else to tell you. Questions, comments, leave them in the box below. You already know. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.